apple cider, 2 ounces.
Do not ruin this mule.
So far.
So far, so good.
And what mule wouldn't be complete without some gin? 2 ounces of gin.
Gin?
Yeah, 2 ounces of gin. What do you normally put in a mule?
Vodka.
Oh, yeah. Well, this has gin in it because it's a ginger apple meal.
I thought it was ginger beer.
Well, of course you can't call it a mule if it doesn't have ginger beer in it. 2 ounces of ginger beer.
Okay, so far you're doing really well, actually.
Okay, thank you. I'll take that. That sounded complimentary.
That's it, right? Oh, this is gonna be delicious! Right?
And a dash.
No! No! Okay, I'm resisting the urge to taste it from the spoon. Okay, I won't do that.
Ginger apple mule. Apple cider.
Oh,
gin,
that gin gets
and
me
ginger
every
beer.
time.
Cheers.
Okay, I love that.
Really?
Oh my God. Oh my God, I would drink this every day. I love that. You have not made a bad mule yet. That's really good.
You don't taste the gin, but I think that's why I don't like it. Because all I taste is the ginger. Like I taste the ginger beer.
I taste the ginger and the apple. So that gin's just gonna come through and knock you out.
That's a fair point because this is 6 ounces and two of its gins. Told you you'd like it.